This video shows the installation of the Delta Zero 1001 filtration unit on the main engine of the vessel. The unit has been installed in a bypass configuration, enhancing the existing oil filtration system without interfering with the engine's normal operation. The inlet of the Delta Zero unit is connected downstream of the engine oil cooler, allowing it to receive oil that has already been cooled to optimal temperature. This ensures efficient filtration while minimizing thermal stress on the filtration media. The outlet of the Delta Zero unit is connected downstream of the main engine's primary oil filter, returning the ultra-clean oil back into the lubrication circuit. This configuration enables the Delta Zero unit to operate continuously in parallel with the main filtration system, removing ultrafine particles, varnish and oxidation byproducts that are not typically captured by standard filters. The result is significantly improved oil cleanliness levels, extended oil life, and enhanced engine protection, all contributing to reduced maintenance cost and improved operational reliability.